Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I have experience like no other people. I've gathered the best of former IRS agents, and we all work together. Today I want to do a video for you. I kind of tell you the truth on everything. There's a lot of crap out there on YouTube. Oh my God, the people trying to get your money. Somebody asked me, when my case goes into currently non-collectible, is my debt really written off for good? And the answer is no, it is not written off for good. Let me explain that to you. There's a lot of fallacy about that. So many people fishing for money, and you don't want them to get yours if they're lying to you. So here's what. When I was a former agent, people would come in. When I was an agent, people would come in, and I take their financial statement. They had absolutely no ability to pay, and that may be you. IRS has you in currently non-collectible. The key word to that is currently non-collectible. Currently, that means at the moment you're non-collectible. IRS has 10 years to collect the money. So if IRS comes out and evaluates you right this minute and they put you in CNC or currently non-collectible, what they do is they close your case with a closing code. That closing code can be tied to your tax return, or the agent may say, kick this case out in 3 years. IRS has 10 years to collect the money. So if I was working your case and you made $50,000 and I knew you couldn't pay the debt at $50,000, I probably put in a 70 code, which means at 70,000 your case is going to kick out because now you made 70,000 and you can pay the debt. Or the agent may feel, oh, you may be selling a house, something's going to happen. They're going to have the case come out in 3 years. So understand, we do not know how that IRS agent closed the case. Did they use an AGI closing code, or did they think in their own mind, I need to bring this case out in 3 years? So remember, when your case is in hardship or currently non-collectible, it is for a season of time. Now the good news is really this: your case, after the 10-year statute of limitation goes, your case is gone for good. You no longer owe the money. So for those, some people play the hardship game for 10 years, hoping the tax debt goes away. Anyway, that's what you need to know about currently non-collectible and being put in hardship. It is for a season until the case either comes out or the statute blows. If you need me, very few people know as much as I know in the business. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription. I really appreciate it.